I am Cde Kellier, 7-time winner, straight for the seat in South St. James. A man of tremendous experience and knowledge. I am going with Mark Golding. He is the best candidate for the presidency of the People's National Party at this time. He is a uniter. I have worked with him in the cabinet for years, and I know of his qualities. What we need now is somebody that is humble and somebody that is strong. Mark has those qualities and many more. I give my unequivocal support to Mark Golding, and I ask everyone who have a delegate vote to go and vote for him. November the 7th, go with Golding. Vote for Golding on November the 7th. Make sure, get up early and go to the polling station and vote for Golding. Go with Golding, the best choice.
Go with Golding.